everyone! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm going to teach some elders here in our community. I will teach them how to write their names, how to counting numbers, and how to read. But before that, I will log first. I will clean each sides of the venue where I'll be doing my teaching for the elders. It's important to maintain the cleanliness of our environment. It's also good to protect in our health. I start doing my lesson and in my lesson plan. First, there's a objective. My objective is to learn my elder student how to write their names, counting numbers, and readings. Second, my daily routine like prayer, greetings, and checking the attendance. Third, motivation. I will motivate the elders to be willing to learn how to write their names and read. And now, I began my discussion. First, I teach them how to write basic letters and how it papers. Next, I teach them how to count numbers from 1 to 10 using fingers. And lastly, I teach them how to read some basic syllables. Last part of my video, I did my evaluation for my elder student to know if they learned something from my discussion. The lesson that I learned in this activity is education is very important. When I was young, my parents always tell me that education is the only legacy that they can give to me, and I will treasure it for the rest of my life, not the material things that they have, because it can lost in this world, but education is already within my soul. As I look in the elders, I can see the eagerness in their eyes that they also want to learn. As a teacher, I want to share my skills not only for the young ones, but also for the elders. I just want to feel them that education is for all. It doesn't require in age or status in life. I realized that the reason why I was born in this world to share my own knowledge for my fellow Mangyans.